Hey there, Varian with Down to Trade with another trade update for you. This one here is on DraftKings. So Monday, we saw the opportunity on DraftKings to sell a put credit spread where we executed that trade right here on Monday. We sold the 41 by 36 put credit spread for $1.41 credit. We then immediately set our profit target for 50% of premium capture at 71 cents. And as you can see, we rode that trade through the week, worked beautifully the entire time, and we got triggered out for our target price on Friday for 71 cents. So trade worked beautifully. Went in our direction all week, just the way we love to see him go. If you want to see how we do this and how we find these setups, come check us out at Down to Trade. And remember to learn it, trade it, and profit.